Good morning, you guys. So I'm going to do a full week of my notary side business. So it's actually a business for me. I have to find my taxes that are my name. Anyway, you guys have been asking about this. I'm on my way to my first one in the morning. I literally, well, today's Tuesday because I was on vacation until Monday night in South Carolina, drove back 6 hours, got home at 1 a.m. and my first signing is at 10:45 a.m. So this signing is only $30, and that is because it is only 20 pages of documents and the signer is 5 minutes down the street. So the $30 one for Wells Fargo refinancing for their mortgage or something like that, they pay a little bit of money just because it's only 20 pages worth of documents, and it's a good filler. And most of the signers are only 5 to 10 minutes away from me, so I do it to fill if I feel like I'm not making the amount of money that I want. Most refinances are about $100, which I have 1 or 2 of those today. So I have a full day of work. So I have my loan folder here, gonna go to my first one, and I have done it back to back. So I'm gonna be rushing to my first 2 signings this morning. I have to go back home and reprint some other documents, and I'll show you guys that. But looks like I'm gonna be on time. It's 10:40 right now and I'm about 2 minutes away. So I'll keep you guys posted. First one is $30, 10:45 a.m. in the morning.
Bruh.
Stephan?
Hi, did you want to sign outside or did you want to go? Oh, I think I see you.
Oh.
Are you
That's
in the
okay.
mask?
It's up to you. I see that there's a table right there at front. So if you wanted to, when I looked at my docs, I know there's a lot to sign, so.
Yeah, so we can do it right there outside. It will take like 5 minutes and then we'll be all done.
Okay. All right, not a problem.
Bye. All done. It is 10:53 now. That signing took 8 minutes. I just had to explain a few things to her. And now I'm on my way back home so I can finish printing out another document that I have, and I'm gonna be leaving around maybe 11 or 11:10. I have to get these documents printed out. Let me put my seatbelt on. Okay, so if I have time, I'll go over one of the pieces of paper for you so you know what to expect or what they're gonna ask you to do. But right now I don't have that luxury because I have back-to-back appointments right now. So I live 5 minutes away. It's not that big of a deal. All right, the documents are printing. It's gonna be a big book. It's about 158 pages. This big book, gotta print it all. I always have extra paper on hand, big box, almost empty, but there's one more in the car, so always have to have paper on hand. All right, I'm gonna go quickly over this one piece of paper from one of the mortgage companies that I work with. It's a long check sheet of what you need to do and what you shouldn't do. It's not as intimidating as you think it would be, so you won't sign the documents before a signer has confirmed. I will confirm that I am with Notary Dash and I'll contact if anything is a problem. I will print on 8x11 paper, which is letter size paper for this one. So this big of a piece of paper. The one over there printing, it's 8x14, so it's longer. I will sign in black. I won't highlight anything on the pieces of paper. I will drop it off the FedEx when I'm done. I won't leave any notes or writing on these documents to remind someone where to write. If you want to remind someone, you put a little sticky note on it. I don't have time to put sticky notes on this one because they sent it to me at the last second. I will get the IDs of the signer. So just like all this stuff, oops, this beautiful, beautiful worksheet. It's not as hard as you think it is. Anyway, I'm gonna put this stuff up because I'm rushing. And I'm starting to do a full day of notarizing, not a full week. If you guys want a full week, let me know down below. Give this video a like that you want to see how much I make in a full week and what my full week looks like with notarizing. I'll just do one day for this video. All right, I wanted to leave at like 11:10 at the latest, but it's 11:21, and I'm on my way to my next one, which is about 35 minutes away from me. This one pays $100 and it's 158 pages. They don't have to sign all 158 pages, but I do have to print out 2 of those stacks. So you do the math. It's a lot of paper. Okay, so, and then I have a break. I come home. Sometimes I do shopping in between my breaks in that general area. I'm sorry if you can't hear me for the air conditioning. Sometimes I do shopping in that area that I'm going to, but I'm saving money for a rental property, so I'm not gonna go shopping. But I'm gonna go home, relax, and recharge and print out all the other papers. So see you guys when I get there.
Hi, this is Kelly calling with Connect. I was just calling to confirm the appointment for May at 6 p.m.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Okay, I already sent the docs over to you.
Okay, great. I was driving, so I saw your email come up, but I didn't want to check it. I'm kind of like on the road.
No worries. I just like to confirm. I just like to call to confirm also. No worries. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.
All right, guys. So I just got done with my second one today. It took me, let's see, it took me maybe less than 45 minutes. I am on my way back to where I live so that I can drop these documents off. And then my next signing is at 3 or 3:30. So I have some time to relax a little bit. By the way, you guys can choose whatever time you want to do, or you can't. Sometimes you can choose. But let's say you get an offer to do one of these and you are scheduled back to back to back to back. You don't have to take it. You can say no. That's the beauty of working for yourself. So I just like to do it back to back because more money. So I'm printing out all my paperwork right now. And baby's sleeping on my legs. 2:10 p.m. and it is 2:22 p.m. and she asked, can you do this one for this amount at this address? I'm gonna blank that out for you guys. So while I sit here, I want to remind you guys that there are multiple ways to make money, whether you want to do this, whether you want to do vending, but you need to make sure that you are securing your future with investing in stocks. There's a good return on them right now. I've seen so many stocks shoot sky high with just some good news, and I think it's a really good way to ensure your future. You want to be investing in index funds. You want to be investing in things that are going to grow. So make sure that you guys use my link down below to sign up for WEBULL, where you get 2 free stocks. It's going to start you out with your stocks journey. That's how I opened my vending business. Right now I am about $50 up since yesterday on my stock account. Let's see, so we have the WEBULL app coming up. This is my watch list. Oh wow, okay, so I'm up by another $7. These are what I am invested in right now. Probably won't be able to see it. The screen is blinking. Get your 2 free stocks, start investing in your future. So use my link down below and get 2 free stocks with WEBULL. And if you have any questions about Notary, put it down below. Let's get back into the video. This is where the stress starts to come in, because now we're at the time where everyone's appointment is scheduled almost at the same time, because everyone wants to get this done after work, and everyone gets off at work at the same time, which is like 5 or 5 p.m. So I have a 3:30, a 4, hopefully a 5, and 2 6 o'clocks right now.
4:30.
Okay, thank you for being able to do that for me.
No problem. No problem.
See you at 4:30.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Bye. All right, I got to her at 3:31. It is now 3:39, and I'm heading back home. She was only 10 minutes away. As you can see, it was only 8 minutes, just like the last one. And I'm gonna head to my next one, which is only 5 minutes away from where I live. And after I do him, I'm gonna stop at FedEx to drop some of this paperwork off. So we have one for $175 in Smithfield for Thursday the 20th. I just got done with this signing. The person moved up from 6 to 4:30 p.m. Now I'm on my way to my next one, which is at 5, and he is 8 minutes away. So these $30 ones are all gonna be very, very close to each other. It just makes it easy. So that's why I accept the $30 ones. More veterans won't accept $30. I know my aunt wouldn't leave her house under 100. So it's a great filler for me. It's close to where I live. Yeah, I'd say it's a good day. I have 2 more left. So the next one's $30, and then the one after that at 6 p.m. is $100. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm putting in the tracking numbers into the online portal to let them know that it's already been shipped off, the signing went well, the signer signed. So we're just doing that. It's real quick, real simple. Okay, so every document has been sent in. It is 8 p.m. right now. I am technically done for today, but all the orders that I got today that people asked me to do for another day, I'm gonna just go ahead and call all the signers so that I can set up my schedule how I wanna set it up. Hi, my name is Jasmine. I wanna speak with George.
All right.
I'll confirm your appointment in the system and then I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Okie dokie.
All right, you have a good night. I already have a full schedule this week of notarizing. I'm all done for today. You guys don't have to do as much work as I am right now. It's like 8:30 p.m. I started at 10:45 a.m. I had 2-hour breaks there, 1-hour breaks here, 30-minute breaks there in between, but you don't have to do as many as me. The only reason why I do so many is because I have a goal in mind and I like to work. I'm a workaholic. I have many different ways to make money and I'm addicted to it. So I try to cram as many in there as I can because who doesn't like to see their bank account get bigger and bigger? But it's on your time schedule. I just let my clients choose the time unless I'm stuck with time. Then I need to rearrange or just say, hey, can you do it at this time? So this is how much money that I made. Put down below if you like this. Is it something for you? Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Let me know if you want to see a whole week of notarization. I could do that too. Give this video a thumbs up, you guys, if you liked it, if you thought it was interesting to see the life of a person who works as a notary for themselves as their own business. Let me know if you want more videos and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Good night.